extensions in her hair, bamboo earrings, at least 2 pair.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I get this half up half down crochet style. It's pretty easy, but if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. And FYI, I am recording this intro for a whole nother day because the intro that I originally recorded for this half up half down crochet style, I really did not like it. It wasn't popping like I wanted it to, so I am re-recording it. So yes, that's why my face is beat and everything. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into this video. Oh, the brand of hair that I'm using is called Angel's Collection, and the curl pattern I got was Jerry curls. I usually get water waves in all of my crochet styles, but I wanted to try something different, and I never used this crochet brand, and it has 3 packs in it, 3 bundles of crochet hair, and I bought 2 packs of it. So I'm only going to be doing the half up half down style that I always do, but I think I want to do 2 ponytails up here instead of 1 ponytail. And this is what the hair looks like. And then the other stuff that I'm going to be using is, of course, a crochet hook. And then I got scissors in case I need to like cut it or whatever into whatever shape or style that I want. And then I got some scrunchies and I got some rubber bands. Can't even see the rubber bands, but I got some black rubber bands. And then I am going to be using Eco Styler to hold my hair. I haven't really decided, so I never used this Eco Styler. It's the coconut oil one. I never used this one, so I kind of want to try, but I'm scared because I ain't really got time to be experimenting right now. Or I got the same one that I always use, which is the argan oil. And what else? Oh, and then of course my favorite scarf to lay my edges. So yeah, I know, excuse my appearance right now, you guys, but you know, we gotta get this video done, and I usually don't like do my face till after I do my hair. So yeah, I already got the ponytail, and like I said, I did like a little bootleg braid pattern or whatever, and I don't do my braids really tight because I don't want to put that much tension on my natural hair, and I usually don't keep my crochet styles long enough for me to be having like super tight braids. I don't know, I don't like my hairstyles to hurt me. Like back in the day when I wasn't natural, yeah, I didn't mind, but now I do mind. So yeah, I'm like very cautious about my hairstyle. We're gonna get into this video. But anyways, yeah, I noticed that it got the easy locking method, so you literally got a rubber band on it and you literally slide the rubber band on once you crochet it on. But this is what it looks like, and it's all the same inches. Oh, this is not even a rubber band used to lock it. It's like a piece of thread, which is really smart because it stops it from popping. That's the whole thing about, like, okay, what if the rubber band popped? But no, this is not a rubber band on the top end of it. It's like a string type thing. That's really cool. So yeah, you got the rubber band right here. You see the little rubber band, kinda, sorta. You see? And now you just kinda gotta pull it down to loosen up that rubber band so you can be able to get your crochet needle hooked through it. So yeah, so then I'm just gonna stick. I just kind of wrap it around my finger so I won't lose it. And I just stick the hook through the braid, take the weave, close the latch once I hook the hair on there, and pull it through. And then hold on to your little circle and then pull the end of that crochet through there. And I never use this rubber, these already latched crochet things, so I'm not used to this at all actually. And then just tighten it like that from there, and then boom. And then you're just gonna keep repeating that step. Pull it through, close it, pull it through. Bring your crochet hair through that, do like that, and tighten the rubber band piece. Lord, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of my head when I take it down. Don't forget to tighten it because it can slide right back off if you do not tighten it. And another way to loosen this up to get the hair through is kind of like separate it and pull it in, like you're trying to open it, like force it open kind of. And that's easier for me. Before, when I would do a crochet style without the secure rubber bands coming with the hair, I would pull it through twice. Like I would do it, double it up so it won't come out. So if you don't have the crochet hair that already have the rubber bands on it, that is another way to do it. Now I'm about to turn on me some music because this is gonna be quite a journey. So I've set my timer. I'm gonna set a stopwatch, and it's right now. I'm gonna start it at 4:20. I started at 4:25, so I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me without like stopping and stuff. After I find me some music to listen to. Finally guys, I am near the end and it hasn't even been an hour yet. It's almost an hour. It is 5:20, so in a couple minutes it'll be an hour since. And I'm just putting the last couple pieces on here and I'll be done. Well, not done, I'll have to work on the top part of my hair, of course. I think I might have to end up doing one ponytail until I buy some more hair, because I don't know if the curly stuff, if the hair that I have left will be enough to add to my ponytail at the top. So we will decide when we get to that point. I'm so freaking hot. Oh, another thing I noticed with these crochet hairs that's already have the rubber bands on it, if you have really tight what is it called? If you have really tight braids, if you have a really tight foundation, it's gonna be hard to get it looped through. So I just want to warn anybody who do have that going on. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I need to add some right here. Add some hair right here. So I usually connect these two. I usually stick a piece of hair to connect them together if you want to get right. I swear, every time I get to the end of doing my hair, everything starts acting up like it don't want me to finish. Like the Lord don't want me to be great. But yeah, once I'm on that last one. Woo! That was tight, kind of. No, baby, you getting loosened. Too tight. Okay. Now we're just gonna work on this top part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the. Ooh, I just broke it. Okay, so I have these pieces right here left from the crochet style. So I'm gonna take the rubber bands off of these, whatever it is they're using to hold it together. I got some other hair too that's not the same curl pattern to make it look more real. It's like some kinkier hair. And then I have the curly hair that I was just using, the crochet hair, and I'm kind of gonna make it bigger, like bigger. Okay, I'm gonna take my Argan Oil Eco Styler to go ahead and get my hair all laid. If it wanna open. I don't like it. Okay, I'm not feeling the 2 ponytails, so we're gonna take it out. Okay, so we're gonna put our hair in our typical 1 ponytail that I always do. And we're gonna try that again. I usually been using Got To Be Glued on my edges, but I didn't this time, and I think I'm about to go grab that. I got my Got To Be Glued because the Eco Styler is cool and all, but it's not the same lay as the Got To Be Glued. So I'm just gonna put a little bit with that. So I took some of the hair that I already crocheted in my head, and then I'm taking some extra hair, and then I'm gonna split that in half and twist that onto my ponytail up here, just to see how would that look. And now I feel like I need even more crochet hair. It's not big enough for me. So I'm gonna take some from each one of these sides right here. I just be experimenting on video with y'all. Y'all probably be like, how this girl showing me a hairstyle and she don't even know what she doing? Girl, I don't know. I do not know. I don't want mine to be super, super defined. I kind of want it to kind of be like, I don't know, like cotton candy looking. Not like this, y'all. Not like this. But kind of messy. Which I'm always struggling with. After going through it, finally, I'm gonna take this scarf and I'm gonna put it on my edges. So I'm just gonna let that sit on my edges, probably go do something to my eyebrows or something, and I will be right back with the finished look, guys. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this hair tutorial. As always, be sure to follow me on all my social medias down below. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment them down below, because most of the time I do reply to you guys. And of course, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and enter my giveaway. My giveaway is in the description box of my Ulta haul video. So definitely gonna enter my giveaway. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.